You are the star of the show. You are going to shock all your haters. They tried to destroy you. They tried to rival you. They tried to belittle you. And it failed. Whatever energy they projected on you is going to ricochet, or has ricocheted right back. They tried to embody your energy. They tried to downplay your energy. They tried to act like you were fake, like you're not real. But the scales of karma will be balanced. You've put out a lot of good into the world. You are fair, you are kind, and you treat everyone with love, with respect. I'm not saying you're perfect, because we all have our light and shadow aspects to us. But genuinely, you are a good person. And because you put out a lot of love and care into the world, you will receive your good karma. Many people are shocked, or will be shocked, about a new romantic relationship that you are in, because they thought they destroyed you. They thought they destroyed your confidence to even go out there and find love. Only to find that the person who you choose and who chooses you sees your heart. They try to taint your image. They try to make you feel less than. But you stand out, and that's one of the reasons why they targeted you. You're confident. You're full of fire. You are ambitious. You are a natural born leader. And you are celebrated. And these people will witness you being celebrated. And they will not be able to unsee it. You have worked hard in the background. And your success and victory will be evident. And it will be public. You see, many people counted you out. But they knew deep down who you were. They just didn't want to be around you. Because in their view, you will outshine them. And I guess they were right. There's an event, there's a place that you are going to go to. And you are going to be spoiled with the delayed love and respect that was snatched from you, that was blocked from you by these people. And they're going to want to move away. They're not going to want to see. They're not going to want to hear. Some of you are going to win a competition. Some of you are going to win a role. Some of you will get positive feedback for your hard work by management. Some of you will be well sought after for your skills and your talents. People will come and congratulate you. Some of you are going to win medals, trophies, certificates. Some of you are going to get a high paying job that you worked so hard for. People are going to seek you out. You are going to be well sought after. And these individuals who doubted you, who tried to deny you of what you are rightfully deserving of, success, opportunities, love, will witness it. And they're going to want to hide. But they're going to hear, or they will see, and they will try and force their views and what they have done to get their attention. But you are going to get the adoration and the respect. And they're not going to be able to block you anymore. They'll be forced to witness it.